Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Sunil Kumar. I am sales and marketing head in LAGAH Exports. If you are a hair extensions lover, a hair stylist, have problem of scanty scalp or baldness, want to increase the volume of your hair or want to increase the length of your hair, then right now you are in a right place. Why all these things are important to you? Because what miracle a hair extension can do to your personality, no makeup in the world can do that. If you do not wear a makeup but have very full, long and beautiful hair, then you do not need any makeup for you. But if your hair are short, thin and you are wearing the most expensive makeup in the world, there is no benefit because that will not give you your desired makeover. Here comes the role of hair extensions in your life. In this video, I'll give you the basic information about hair extensions and its benefits. As the name suggests, hair extensions comprises two words, hair and extensions. Hair are hair, okay, and extensions mean you have something of a particular length and you want to increase the length of that thing, then you will attach the same thing to that thing with some way. It means you are extending the length. In the same way, when you attach hair to your own hair with some way, that is called hair extensions. Hair extensions either be of synthetic hair or human hair, but here we're going to talk about human hair only because our company manufacture hair extensions of human hair. There are different ways to attach these hair extensions to your own hair, like you may use the clips, the glue method or sewing. In clips method, tracks of hair are made and clips are attached to make clip-in hair extensions. Let me show you what the track I'm talking about. Like this. Okay. These are 100% virgin human hair. These are hair and these are the tracks. With sewing method, all the hair are attached. You can see these are the tracks. It is called weft. Okay, there is a way to attach this directly to your head, but there are different ways to make clip-in hair extensions of different types. Let me show you few of them. Like you can see this one. This is one kind of clip-in hair extension. This is called hollow hair extension. And like this, you can see this is called V-shape volumizer. Like this is called a hair volumizer. This is a standard hair volumizer, but R1 is advanced. I will tell you the difference. And like this is the ponytail. If you want to have a ponytail look, see, this is the ponytail. Fine, like that. This is the ponytail, and there are a lot of types of clip-in hair extensions of different use. I cannot explain you everything in this video, so for explaining these hair extension, we will put another video. We will explain you each and every type of this clip-in hair extension and how to use them in coming videos. So please do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button so that you will get intimation whenever we upload a new video. Another method is called fusion hair, also known as semi-permanent hair extension method, but in India it is known as permanent hair extensions. It is not permanent hair extensions and it is different from clip-in hair extensions. Like in clip-in hair extensions, you will clip the hair extension into your scalp, and while sleeping, before sleeping, you will unclip them and remove from your scalp. Let me show you one of the semi-permanent hair extensions our company make. This is one kind of semi-permanent hair extension. This is known as I-tip hair extensions or micro ring hair extensions. There is a way to attach. These are single strand. The single piece is known as strand. Right now I'm holding 100 pieces, used to weight about 100 grams. In semi-permanent hair extensions, you can wear these hair extensions for 2 to 3 months or more, which is depending upon your own hair growth. Like if your hair are grown 2 to 3 inches, then you have to get them removed and reinstall it. And yes, while reinstalling, you will not need another set. You will need not to purchase another set of hair extensions. The same hair extensions will be used in refilling. There are a lot of kind of semi-permanent hair extensions we make, and we will explain you all these in our coming videos. So again, do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button to receive the notification about new videos. If you want to increase your knowledge about hair extensions and want to know how to use them, how to take care of them to get most out of it, then please stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.